Once your TRB application is approved, you will receive this letter in your GCK account. It is called the original passport request. Important. You have 30 days from the date on this letter to submit your passport to IRCC. So we need to move quickly. Quick disclaimer, immigration process can change. So always verify this information on the official IRCC website. Now let me show you exactly what you need. First, let's talk about what document you need to prepare. Document is a printed copy of your original passport requested from GCK, and the other document your actual passport, the one you are submit for stamping. And the third document is two prepaid from Canada Post. I'll explain these in details in just a second. So that's it, these three things you need. Now the most confusing part for everyone is envelope. So let me show you exactly which one to buy. You need to go to your nearest Canada Post location and ask for two specific. There are two different type of the first, this is the big one, and the second one is standard regional national. This is the smaller one. Either you can ask for the representative from Canada Post, they're gonna provide you the envelope accordingly. For the large envelope, if you live in Ontario or Quebec, ask for a regional letter. If you live anywhere else in Canada, ask for a national letter. For the small envelope, everyone get a standard envelope regardless of where you live. Both envelopes are prepaid, meaning postage is already included. The total cost for both is somewhere around $40. But the tip is here, both come with a tracking number on them. Take a photo of these numbers, the big one, the one you are sending to IRCC. Write this address where we are sending our passport. I'll put this address in the description as well, so you can copy it from there. Write your own complete mailing address where you want to receive your passport. So let's talk about the small envelope used to send your passport back. Top of the small envelope, on the back of the envelope, on the two section, write your complete mailing address wherever you want your passport returned. Double check your address. If you make a mistake here, your passport could be lost. Here's what goes inside this big. So the number one item is the small prepaid envelope. Write your return address on it. The second is your passport. Third is the printed copy of original passport request letter. Place all these three inside the big envelope and you are ready to mail it. Do not include photocopies of your passport, extra document, cover letters. Take your sealed envelope to the Canada Post and send it there. According to IRCC website, processing time could be 14 business days after they receive your passport, plus mailing time 3 to 5 business days, 3 to 4 weeks total from when you mail it. Track your envelope using the tracking number. When we are submit a document to the Canada Post, they give us a tracking number, so you can easily track there. Once IRCC receives, they will update your GCK account, so keep checking there too. Let me quickly summarize everything. Print your passport request letter by envelope from Canada Post. The big envelope to IRCC from you. The small envelope to you. The small envelope, your passport, and the letter inside the big envelope, mailing it and tracking it. Timeline is expected 3 to 4 weeks total. So that's everything you need to know about submit your passport for TRB stamping in Canada. If this video is helpful for you, please hit subscribe button. I make videos every week breaking down Canadian immigration finance for newcomers. You have any question, drop them in comment below. I'll reply to everyone. And if you haven't applied for your TRB yet, check out this video where I walk you through the entire application process. So good luck with your TRB and I'll see you in the next video.